Hi, Beth here from Abby's Addicts Creation, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over how to change the side filter that's on the side of your P3, and we're going to be changing out the filters on the back on the air assist, and we were going to be showing you how to take the panels off and how to access that air assist in the back to change those filters. You'll notice for the side panel, I do have to take my whole panel off because I do have to exchange it for this side panel, which is just like yours. My P3 is a prototype. I was a beta tester for it, so I don't have this easy access panel right here, and I'll be able to do it going forward without taking the side panel off. So let's get to it. So we're going to be going over how to change the filters on the P3. One of them you will find right here. I already have the side off, so I'm not going to be showing that part. But you do have to unscrew these screws here. You're going to have to fold down the front of your P3, and then you're going to have to undo a couple of these screws over here. So you would fold down the front right here. Take these two screws out as well, and then you'll be able to get to the internals of your P3 right here. Right above this canister right here, you will see that's where your filter will be. So to get to the 4-inch filter, it's going to be right here. You're going to unscrew a lock screw that I have. You're going to take this screw out, and this will all slide down afterwards, like so. Yours will not obviously be white. It's going to be dirty. I did just change mine out, and this is actually what mine looked like. It was pretty gross. And that is how you're going to do that. You would just simply slide this right back in. It's such a hard angle to get with the camera in front of it, but you're going to slide it right back in. You're going to screw the screw back in as well. And then you're good with that one. Now to get to the next one, you're going to have to open up the back. And we will switch over and look at the back now. So the back side didn't record. I apologize for that. But what you're going to do is you're going to remove that whole back panel. And then you're going to see a metal base plate above where your smoke does come out of. And then we are going to unscrew all of those screws. As you can see, there's 5 screws that will come out. And then there's a bracket holding in the very top part on the top right. Once you get that metal plate off, you're going to see this, and that is your air assist. You're going to be removing these gray screw-looking cylinder things, and those are the 2 filters that need to be replaced. They do control the air quality going in, and it can, once those get filled, it can block air from being sucked in and being pushed out through your nozzle. So those need to be replaced, and you just unscrew them and then screw the new ones back in, and it's just as simple as that. You're going to replace that metal bracket, replace your back cover and your side cover, and you are all set and good to go. If you enjoyed this kind of content and learned something from this, please consider subscribing to our channel and follow our Facebook groups for more educational tips and tricks for anything with the P3, and they'll be linked below.